The question I get the most, Erendiz, what should I post on LinkedIn? To make your life easier, I created the content matrix with 12 pillars, 12 tips to make great, awesome content. The first thing you can post about is show your work. Show people what you do. Give it behind the scenes. Show people your expertise. That's the first thing you can post about. Tip number 2. Show your customer. Post about your customer. Post about the successes of your customer, but also about the bottlenecks of your customers. Of course, with consent of the customer. Tip number 3. Talk about news, milestones in your career, in your company. People want to know what's happening. And perhaps you're thinking, oh, this is not newsworthy. It definitely is. So the moment you have something new, post about it. Tip number 4, specific content about behind the scenes scores great as LinkedIn posts. Show people the behind the scenes, for example, of an event, of a team building. This is also very, very great content for your employer branding. Tip number 5, work with LinkedIn polls. Make a LinkedIn poll, ask your audience a question and trigger them to engage. But not only asking the question, but also give some context. Use the LinkedIn anatomy to make great content, to make great copy, and end with a call to action and ask your audience a specific question. Tip number 6, give how-tos, tips and tricks. You are the expert, you know what you do. Inspire your audience. Teach them, inspire them, educate them. Tip number 7, talk about your cases. Talk about specific cases, your bottlenecks, your pitfalls. This is what people want to see because you're not perfect. They want to see what you did, your failures and your successes. Tip number 8, post guides, ebooks, white papers. These are perfect lead generators for your business. Tip number 9, new in your industry. You want to be an opinion maker. You want to be a thought leader. You want to be the expert in your industry. Talk about the new shizzle in your industry. Be the first to talk about it. Tip number 10, do a Q&A. If your clients or prospects or suspects ask you questions, this is your first sentence in your copy. Put the question in the copy and this is your post and give the answer. It's a perfect Q&A. And at the end, you can again add a call to react with a question to engage your audience. Tip number 11, this is an easy one. You're going to be glad I told you this, is make promotion of your work, of your business, of your services, of your events, of your webinars, landing pages, whatever. I use the 80-20% rule. 80% inspiring, educating, and 20% giving promotion, making promotion. Tip number 12, share surveys, share results, share very relevant insights for your industry. So these are 12 tips to make great content. And of course, your vehicle is important. Your vehicle is your visual, is your media you are using. So you can use photo, you can use a carousel, you can use video, you can use podcast, you can use LinkedIn Live. You can use LinkedIn events. So there are a lot of vehicles to make content, but the most important thing is to make the content. Don't overthink and just do. If you want to have the anatomy of a fantastic LinkedIn post and this content matrix with 12 content tips with you, very easy. Click on the link below, go to my website and download my PDF. This is your best buddy to make great content on LinkedIn.